Hey everyone, want to export data with PowerShell? PowerShell makes it easy to save command output into files like CSV, TXT, JSON, and XML for reporting, analysis, and backups. In this full guide, I'll show you how to export data using PowerShell 7 on Windows. So let's get started. First, open PowerShell 7 from the Start menu. Yeah, you can use a standard session for most export tasks, but some system information may require administrator privileges. One of the most common export formats is CSV. CSV files can be opened in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or other spreadsheet applications. Get process export CSV path, home/desktop/processes, CSV, no type information. This command exports the list of running processes to a CSV file on your desktop. If you want plain text output, use the outfile cmdlet. Get service outfile home/desktop/services, TXT. Yeah, this saves the complete list of Windows services to a text file. JSON is commonly used for web applications, APIs, and automation. Convert your PowerShell objects into JSON using this command. Get computer info, convert to JSON depth to outfile, home/desktop/computer info. JSON, adjust the depth value if your objects contain nested properties. You can also export PowerShell objects as XML for structured storage and later reuse. Get service export ClickSmall, home/desktop/services, XML. This preserves PowerShell object properties more accurately than plain text. Finally, open the exported files to confirm that the data was saved correctly. Checking your output helps ensure the export completed successfully, and that's how to export data with PowerShell. Whether you're creating reports, backing up system information, or preparing data for analysis, PowerShell provides powerful tools for exporting information in multiple formats. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.